how to fix reCAPTCHA problem on your Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix reCAPTCHA on your Google Chrome. So let's get started. On this process, if you are trying to log in with any ID on your Google Chrome, and from there you'll have to just verify with the reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome, and after you tap on that, if you are suffering that reCAPTCHA problem on your Chrome, you'll have to just open the settings on your device. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and go to the option apps. Alright, so from the app section, you'll have to find out the application Chrome. Alright, so after you find the Chrome, tap on that. And from this interface, make sure that you have allowed this Chrome application for background app refresh. So you have to just turn on it, and after you come on this interface, you can easily set the Chrome application as your default app. So you can easily tap on the default browser app, and from there you can easily set your default browser to your Chrome on your device, and after you turn on it, you can easily fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section again, tap on the option general. Okay, so from the general section, tap on iPhone storage. Alright, so from the iPhone storage, you'll have to again find out the application Chrome, and after you find it, tap on Chrome. Okay, so from the interface, you'll have to just tap on the option upload app, or on the Android you can also tap on the option clear data. Alright, tap on upload app. Okay, so after you done it, tap on the option reinstall app. Okay, so after you complete this process from here, you can easily fix that problem on your Google Chrome. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.